When creating an account for forex trading, we see an option or an issue come up at different time. Whether the broker is offering a swap-free account or that broker offered the facilities to trade in accordance with Islamic rules, that is with a swap-free account. Then the question arises in the mind of many people, what is it? For this, many people are confused because the name of Islam in forex. So today we will talk about this issue. What is swap? Why it's given and its advantage and disadvantage. We will discuss everything. So stay with us. So hello viewers, I'm an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. The swap is an interest. Just as some interest is paid when you deposit money in a bank, in forex trading, the broker pays a small amount according to the trade in your account. Those who follow Islamic Sharia can trade on interest-free account or swap-free account. There doesn't seem to be any need to take this tiny swap or interest in forex trading. There is no big benefit in trading with swap. That is, trading with it and trading without it almost the same thing. This means that the broker pays a very small amount of interest based on your trade, which is doesn't need. There are many people who trade with swap. It is their personal desire. People from all over the world coming here to trade. So broker have made arrangement to trade in two types of account, including normal account and swap-free account. Many brokers offer these facilities. If you want to trade according to the rules of Islamic law, you can take advantage of the swap-free account when you have an account. Or if you have already opened an account and traded, you can do your account swap-free. If you want to know how to do Islamic account on XM Broker House and XNES Broker House, then watch this video. Here we have presented how to easily do Islamic account here. Or if you have an account in another broker or thinking of doing an account in anywhere else but don't know if that broker provides Islamic account facilities, then write your broker's name in the comment box. Then we will reply you the answer whether that broker provides Islamic account facilities or not. And if you want, we will give a video how to do your Islamic account in that broker. So quickly do your comment in the comment box. Forex swap is a commission or rollover interest charged by a broker due to the overnight position of a trader. You will get interest on your position on the currency you bought, and you will pay interest on the currency you sold. Most brokers complete the rollover process automatically, closing the open position at the end of the day and open the same position for the next day. Let me give you an example. Every central bank sets interest rate, and these rates are very different from each other. For example, suppose the interest rate of the New Zealand dollar is higher than US dollar. If you buy NZD USD, you will get the interest which is different between NZD and USD. But if you sell NZD USD, you have to pay a swap to hold order every day. So this is how calculate swap. And I would like to say one thing, that those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So those who want to do forex trading by following Islamic rules, they can use swap-free account, because in this account you don't have to pay or accept swap. So this account name is Islamic account or swap-free account. If you have a swap-free account, you will get this benefit. Maximum broker offers swap-free account or Islamic account. So those who don't want to pay swap or want to collect swap, they can use swap-free account. In this account, you don't have to pay commission. Swap-free account are primarily for Muslims who want to follow Islamic rules in forex, because this is prohibited under the Sharia law. So since swap is not beneficial for us, you can use swap-free account. Or if you want trade with swap, then you can do it. But if you want to do swap-free account in any broker, don't forget to comment in the comment box. Then we will tell you how to do your swap-free account in that broker. So this is our today's video. Hopefully you can understand our today's video, and hopefully this video can be beneficial for you. And last thing I want to say, that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use FOREX BD's link when you have an account at a broker house or a payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under FOREX BD's link. trading. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.